If you're wanting to know how to use the Seattle Monorail, you're watching the right video on Travel Tricks. Before I get started, thank you for watching this video and subscribe to my channel, as I'm always finding tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one. To see attractions such as the Space Needle, the Pacific Science Center, or the Seattle Museum of Pop Culture, you're going to need to use the monorail. There are only 2 stations. The monorail travels between Westlake Center, which is on 5th and Pine Street downtown. It's also a 5-minute walk to Pike Street Market. And the Seattle Center, home to the Space Needle. To use the monorail, you'll need an Orca card. If you need to learn how to get one from a ticket machine, I'll provide a video at the end of this one. You only need to tap your Orca card once. To complete your trip, you get 2 hours on the card to finish your journey. The Seattle Monorail departs around every 10 minutes. During peak event service, it departs every 4 minutes. You only need to tap again unless you're transferring to a bus or a train. You come aboard, find a seat, and the trip will take around 3 minutes to get you to the next station. Once you arrive, you'll go through the gate and continue with your day. To learn how to get an Orca card, click on this video. And if you want to learn how to use the Link Light Rail, check out this video. Thank you for watching this and subscribe to my channel, Travel Tricks, as I do my best to help you make your next vacation the best one.